We'll guide you through how to use the DJI Mic Mini on a PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is a really high quality microphone, so it makes sense you want to go and use it on your computer. So you could go and use it for calls or even for just going and recording your screen. It doesn't matter. Go and pair the mic to the transmitter. Come onto the mic itself, go and find the power button and tap on hold on it like so, flashing. Then you want to come onto the transmitter and go and find the power button on the left-hand side. Go and tap and hold it until it turns on. Come onto the microphone and you need to go and find the pair button. This will go and start flashing green and blue. Then come back onto the transmitter, find the pair button on the right and tap and hold that until it starts going and flashing. Now wait, and shortly these are going to go and pair. It's now paired to the microphone as this has gone solid. Remove the cover from the bottom of the transmitter and slide on the USB-C adapter. Now we can go and plug this in. Come to the bottom right of your computer and right click the sound icon and press sound settings. Now you want to go and scroll down into input and you can go and select DJI Mic Mini. That's it.